Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Anopai and somehow we see Yankano. Baku bi pa hono nan kan pese ndi ma hodi nyina kogina.
They're here.
Nanso krata wo kan kwesifori
e chopa no.
Ama mabamo agura. You say nan kan bi kogina.
Ajuju kakra.
Ajuju be.
Abono pusa.
I say o say da pa.
Sisi I want know say as you go through by
us. No nim ni ami be yo. Masa.
Wow namesake or say opacho.
And a year Ghanaian Times.
Yeah.
Kratafa Edunson. What kind of real beho?
I think.
What is it? Nadia Baku emi hu ni say. Sansem we na course no. Ghanaian Times pe na dia ba.
There he.
Page 17. Reverend Owusu Bempah, 4 others remanded in police custody over threat of death and assault.
W.
Our page 16.
Quasi. New Crusading Guide. Reverend Owusu Bempah caged. Okay, I'm Ghanaian Times.
Heavily armed policemen and bodyguards of renowned man of God, Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah, who escorted him to court yesterday, heckled, manhandled, and prevented journalists from taking photographs of the preacher.
Okay.
The police allowed only church members into the courtroom and prevented journalists from covering proceedings with the excuse that they had to seek clearance before they allowed journalists into the courtroom. Police, even members of the Judicial Press Corps, who were accredited by the Judicial Service to cover court cases, were not spared. Reverend Bempah, the General Overseer of the Glorious Word Power Ministries, appeared in court for the first time after so. His church members, mostly women and young men, cursed, cast in windows, insulted, threatened the life of journalists who took videos and pictures of the revered man of God as was ushered into the courtroom in a Rambo style. Before his arrival in a red Toyota but the policemen, his supporters and well-wishers, were agitated when journalists started rolling their cameras to provide live coverage of the incident. At the entrance of the court, the police mounted a barricade and allowed only lawyers and Reverend Bempah's church members and junior pastors in the courtroom. A few journalists who had access to the court did so because they came in the company of Reverend Bempah's suit-wearing legal team. Bebre Masa. Proceedings turned dramatic when Mutala Inusa, a senior journalist with the EIB network, was bundled out of the court by 3 policemen and 4 bodyguards of Reverend Bempah for allegedly taking pictures in court. Bebre, some of those mean to me kind of
police yapacho.
Na bibi mi hu kakra.
Ade.
Na journalists are now more prosecuting papa nana. Police mo na mo prosecuting papa yi. Nanso mo ne bodyguards akwaya baako against journalists. As a journalist na o mo ye boni bi. Masa, ni amika obi tumi tiase o ntrase na me tumi tiase ntrase. What is this? To the extent say court dem ho no. Police for ni also for no bodyguard. Almost say won call partner sorry na won nya ni bodyguard na nya police dem to me ra. Dang. Masa media me ahamiti me to me cast papa no di for that's with deep him. I have no right whatsoever to pronounce judgment in this case.
Yeah.
Or to make prejudicial statements in this case. I have no right. Meaning why? You understand? But essential for Sabio beautiful. You do money here. Say you do one so could be a credit to be says. No bopo, me no bopo. We are entitled to a certain normal protection every citizen is entitled to. Every citizen. And here's a journalist and sana. Ya bo ho ba say you bring to me more asuma and answer bring to me enya oni enfata. So na e course work out. I'm so embarrassed. na sania yenua kwesi for actual crata no oka kwesi obubu ya pre
David when obubu apre
obubu ma pre you so dey kese you shut down your can ye you understand papa ebi a court e dina sem we a court be ka say oh the hoson kofi
kwesi na sem wa kapa
me ke bibia
kan pese me kamane brosa we be nka kra we dey na ma no ha ya
just say nka obe yam no
no kam musa de na ya yes sir
aben for say on some odian ye bum onin bakro kan no say adwobre
Nsomaka majiatu
ose adwobre
senya papa na trocrata abeto halama asam no kakra nyiye untumi nkan ye Dabi kan ya mekaka ho nkanga ho
Dabi ye kwasi for iso apacho
kwesi aka seminya
Dabi kwasi si we comedies
na dey be mraka
I think obey the main film
Shada
not it
Shada ojijimi akọ obi nana kun wa shada na wo su na kamikaze wo ye minia
kwesi ase be wa komiye
kwasi si opeso kebi batanya no kwasi ti bi comedy mom
pa chonya wa komiye
kwasi me da say in fact you say utie mi anope
This FM 104.3 Would you mean